In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unlink Gmail accounts. If two Gmail accounts feel connected, it is usually because one account is signed in on a device, or because a device is still authorized to access your Google account. The quickest and cleanest way to unlink is to sign out of the device remotely from your Google account security settings. I will walk you through that process now. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox in a web browser. Once you are in your inbox, look in the top right corner for your profile picture or the circular account icon. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In that menu, select Manage your Google account. This takes you to your Google account dashboard where you can control sign-in, security, and connected devices. Now, near the top of the page, find and select the Security section. This is where Google lists recent security activity, sign-ins, and the devices that currently have access to your account. Scroll until you see the area for your devices, then choose the option that says Manage all devices. You will now see a list of devices that have recently been signed in to your Google account, along with timestamps for activity. Click the device entry you want to unlink. The device name or the date of last activity may be what helps you identify it, so take a moment to choose the correct one. If Google asks you to verify your identity, complete the prompt by entering your account password or other requested sign-in method. This step is important because Google will not allow device changes without confirming it is really you. Once you are viewing the device details page, select Sign Out. This will remove that device session and stop it from staying linked to your Google account. After signing out, use the navigation at the top to return to the device list and repeat the same sign-out process for any other devices you want to remove. When you are finished, you can return to Gmail and refresh. Over time, you should see fewer account prompts and less cross-device access, since the removed devices will need to sign in again to reconnect. That covers everything you need to know.